Career Institute. TYBCom Semester 6. Lecture of Subject Computer Systems and Application. Our today's topic is calculate total, average and grade. To calculate total, average and grade, let us take an example from Mumbai University question paper. So the example from Mumbai University question paper, see this. This is our example. This example is 8 marks question is there. This question asks in Mumbai University question paper November 2019. This is a worksheet is given. Below that the question, write steps to find. First is find the total marks in column E. Question second is find average marks in column F and the grade by using following policy, that is 240 or more O grade, 180 or more but below 240 A grade and less than 180 B grade. Right? This question now we solve in Excel software practically right now, right? Therefore, you open your Excel software in your PC and type the worksheet as it is. Now I open Excel software in my PC and type the worksheet given in your question as it is, right? Yes, here is, I open Excel software and type the worksheet as it is in the question, right? Now, the remaining part of our question is also, I will bring it by paste option for you to easily read the question and understand whatever the formula I put it in the cell, right? Therefore, I bring it by paste option the remaining part of the question. Say this. This is the remaining part of the question. Now you can easily understand the question and the solution also. See, the question first is find the total marks in column E. Therefore, see, this is the column E. The heading is total. Below that, second cell, that is E2. I put it cell E2 the formula. Therefore, select cell E2 and now type the formula. I type here the formula is equal. See, sum of what? 66, 77 and 70, that is economics, MHRM and tax marks total, that is. Therefore, I put E2 is equal sum, SUM, round bracket open, B2 colon D2, B2 colon D2 and bracket close. See, this is the formula for total. We have to type in cell E2 and press enter. As soon as I press enter, we get the total. See this, right? Now, to copy this formula to all remaining cells and get the total of all, once again I select cell E2. Now activate the fill handle of cell E2 and drag till up to E7. See this, right? The total we get. Now to calculate average, that is second question, find the average in column F. Now see, this is our F column and we calculate average in column F, means in cell F2 we have to type the formula for average. Therefore, select cell F2 and type the formula is equal to average, AVER AGE, average, round bracket, B2 colon D2, right, bracket close. Yes, and now press enter, you get average. See, average of these three subject is 71. Therefore, I click here once again, I copy this formula to all the remaining cells. Once again select cell F2. See, this is medical plus our mouse is. Now here is fill handle at this is activated fill handle, mathematical plus this, change this, see. Click here and drag till up to F7. We get all average marks, right? Now to solve third question, assign grade in column G using the following policy. Now the given policy, that is 240 or more O grade, 180 or more but below 240 A grade, and less than 180 B grade. Now to calculate or grade, to assign grade, we put it the formula in cell G2. Therefore select cell G2 and type formula is equal to if round bracket open, see, total mark 240 or more O grade, the total mark in E column. Therefore if round bracket E2 is greater than or equal 240, right, then comma, open inverted O and close inverted, open inverted O and close inverted, okay, comma, this is first condition is over for O grade. Now second condition is A grade, that is 180 or more but below 240. See, already I have taken in first condition greater than 240, right? Therefore remaining is below the 240. Therefore I put it if round bracket open E2 is greater than or equal to 180, comma, open inverted A, close inverted, comma, otherwise the last condition, that is open inverted B and close inverted. Now 2 if we use here, therefore 2 bracket close. See, if we have opened the bracket, then lastly we have to close this 2 bracket, okay. Now formula is over, I just press enter, we get grade. See this, A grade is gone. See, naturally this is 213 marks of Sunita, therefore she get A grade. Now I copied this formula by activate fill handle of cell G2 and drag till up to G7. See this O grade is what? See, 249 marks we get O grade. Yes, correct now. Then next is see, 241 marks. Yes, O grade. BB is less than 180 marks, therefore B grade. Okay. So the solution of your question practically is over in our Excel software, right? But you have to, in theory paper, you have to write in the paper the procedure step by step here, right? This is your practically solution of the question, right? Now I give you the exercise from Mumbai University question papers question. Example number 1, exercise this. Example 1, this is Mumbai University question paper question. Right? Take a screenshot and solve this question. Try to solve this. Now second question, this. Take the screenshot and try to solve this question. Now third question, please take this screenshot and type the question in worksheet and try to solve practically. Okay. Today is over. Thank you.